Bengals, who they? Who they? Who they think gonna beat them Bengals? I know, right? I'm excited. Who they? Who they? Who they think gonna beat them Bengals? Welcome back to a special episode of S'mores and More, the show where we take the traditional campfire treat and turn it on its head. My name is Sean P. Meddy, and you are on the S'mores and Dinosaurs YouTube channel. If this is your first time, hello, welcome. And if you feel so inclined, maybe after watching this episode, want to watch some more, hit that subscribe button. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, I have got a special episode today. So, what I wanted to do was create a s'more in celebration of my hometown Cincinnati Bengals finally making it to the Super Bowl for the first time in over 30 years. So I have hit the test kitchen pretty hard this past week trying to find the right combination for a s'more specifically for this celebration, and I think I have it. We are going to create today what I'm calling the Who Day S'more. I wanted to make a s'more that was perfect for your Super Bowl parties, or perhaps next season, if you're out tailgating, maybe you can try it then too. So, the Who Day S'more has 4 ingredients. You're gonna need chocolate graham crackers. You're gonna need your marshmallows, which I already have in my tailgating bag, ready to go right here. You're gonna need a Mr. Goodbar. Hershey started making this, and it doesn't matter, started remaking this. It doesn't matter if you have the regular size candy bar or the king size. Both of them work for this. And finally, the last ingredient, nice caramel sauce. This is gonna be our Bengal striping all over this beautiful s'more that we're about to make. So, we've got our ingredients. Let's put them together. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is put down your chocolate graham cracker. Now, these can be a little bit difficult, so make sure, oh, I got lucky. After that, we're gonna put our foundational chocolate here, our Mr. Goodbar chocolate there. And if you're not familiar, Mr. Goodbar is Hershey's chocolate with roasted peanuts in there. Now, after we have that, you may think we're gonna put our caramel sauce, but oh no. We are gonna put down our toasted marshmallow. Now, once you have your toasted marshmallow, you're gonna put it right there on top and get it, oh, so good. Oh, this is not bad. This looks good. All right, so now here comes the caramel. Now, we're gonna put these Bengal stripes of caramel, these beautiful orange Bengal stripes of caramel right on top. So we're just gonna drizzle all over. And of course, you can drizzle it to your own beauty and comfortability. That's weird to say, comfortable. Now I drizzle it on top. I found that creates the best drizzle flavor combination for this. But if you want to put it underneath the chocolate, or underneath the marshmallow, that works too. And then finally, we're going to top it with our last graham cracker. And there we go. We have the Who Day S'more. Oh man, I've had one of these about every day this week, sort of in celebration of leading up to the Super Bowl. So I'm thrilled to have one more right now with you, just to confirm how good this tastes. You get a lot of the traditional s'more vibes out of this. You got the chocolate crunch, the graham cracker crunch, you got that chocolate, you get the marshmallow. But adding the peanuts from a Mr. Goodbar and that nice caramel Bengal stripe in there, you get this wonderful caramelly aftertaste. It just, it's like the roasted peanuts in the Mr. Goodbar. That little bit of salt from that matches the slight salt in the caramel, and just salt and sweet. What a magnificent combination. And hey, if you notice, I might have drizzled a little bit extra on there. If you ever want to take just a little bit of it, maybe just Scrape a corner of that s'more through before you take another bite. Ooh, that is good. Well, I'm going to finish the rest of that s'more off camera. So, I hope you have a fantastic time watching the game. Hey, and even if you're not into football, guess what? This s'more is perfect for any time of the year for you as well. All right, so. Oh, that's good. So, have a great time, a great weekend. If you're from Cincinnati, who they think gonna beat them Bengals? And for the rest of you, I'll see you back here really soon. Bye, everybody. Enjoy the game. Who they think gonna beat them Bengals? Do you think? What do you mean you're a Rams fan?